Hey, Brad Fowler here, Realtor with Century 21 Coffee County Realty. Out here today in Antioch, Tennessee at 4133 Treehaven Place. This place has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Let's go in and check it out. Now you can see as soon as you walk in, there's lots of storage in this place, starting with the mudroom right here. Got a coat rack, a little bench, perfect for sitting there waiting on the pizza delivery guy. Where is he? And did I mention storage? Check this out. Custom shoe rack. It even hold my gigantic size 15s. So you got lots of storage here. You got extra storage in the garage. Check this out. Large custom pantry, expanded space in here, motion sensor lights. This thing is huge. Wait, Joanna! Oh, God, I almost got lost in there. Then from that pantry, you have another pantry over here. So there's plenty of storage for that. Lots of countertop space, large island, or if it were mine, I'd be a giant buffet. I'm all about some buffets, but it's the openness that everybody loves. You got a nice living room over here. Then we'll head on upstairs. Whew. All right, so we're upstairs now. This nice open loft area. Check out this big bookshelf. Lucky for you, he moved it up here by himself, but he said there's no way that he's going to be able to move it back out. So the new owners get to keep this giant bookshelf. Over here we have 2 bedrooms, another bathroom, full bath. Check this master bed out. Now we're in the master suite, another large walk-in closet. I'm not going in there because I'll get lost again. Got the rest of the bedroom here. And off of the bedroom, you have a really nice bathroom, stand-up tile shower, large bathtub, private facilities, and 2 double vanities. All right, there you have it. 4133 Treehaven Place, Antioch, Tennessee. We tried to catch everything in this video, but I'm telling you, this house is truly a must-see. Like I said, it's about 3 years old. Everything's new, roof, HVAC, lots of storage, no backyard neighbors, nice covered back porch. Let's check this place out. Contact me. I'm Brad Fowler with Century 21 Coffee County Realty. Let's talk soon.